Bit of an update on the project car front. I still have this one, but I'll be getting rid of it soon to make some room for this. It's a 93 Nissan 300ZX T-top, currently covered in pollen, sitting under my carport. Got this a month or so ago. Just kind of been doing things with it, trying to get it roadworthy again. The tires were 10 years old and dry rot to shit. So I got some new ones. Be putting those on soon. Got some. It came with some eBay coilovers. Well, they have a brand name, but Max speeding rods. There's some budget coilovers. Also, when I got the car, none of the coilovers were adjusted, so they were all at different heights, and the car rode weird, and it was pretty terrible. It's in shitbox shape. I'll say that. It's had a lot of common mods that are done to these cars, already done to it. The interior has a bit to be desired, but I think it's all right. It's livable. Most of this stuff is my own doing. I've taken apart some of the center console, so it's a bit of a mess right now. But it's 30 years old and it hasn't been shown a lot of love. So that is what it is. The seats are in okay condition. A little. This one's missing a little knob here, and but this seat itself is in pretty good condition. That one has a little tear in it. This door has a bit of some injury here. I don't think the door locks. This door lock doesn't really work anymore. The windows go up and down. It works. I've been fixing random things with this car because I got it and it was in rough shape. There was just a grade 8 bolt cross-threaded into this into the pillar for the top seatbelt mount. So I went to the junkyard and got a similar bolt off of a Nissan, and it fit. It threaded. I had to double stack some washers in there, but they all came off of seatbelt fittings, so I got it torqued down. It looks good. But knowing that was off, I also took the door card off and checked the bottom spool for the seatbelt, and sure enough, it wasn't on there good. Whoever worked on this thing last didn't torque down a single bolt that they touched, and it looks like they touched every bolt that there was. So I've been going through and touching up things as I see it. The seat, this was in pretty terrible condition, the steering wheel. So I kind of did a little half-ass repair job with some tennis racket grip tape, and then I put a little fake carbon fiber finish cover on it. It works good and it'll hold. Did have to replace the stalk here because the detents were shitty, and the switch for the headlights didn't work, or high beams didn't work. 13,000 miles on it. Transmission feels good. Everything feels pretty okay. This is kind of what I was talking about with the coilovers not being adjusted. So none of these locking rings have anything to do with locking right now. So that's pretty shitty. I did have to change out some of the lugs, the studs, and when I took the calipers off, none of them were bolted down or torqued down. They were pretty much hand tight. So it needs some work, but I think it's going to be a fun little project. Should be pretty cool. Carla likes my car. Yeah, that's it for now. I'll make some other videos about this shortly.